everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I will tell you about all of the ways that you can integrate Zoho apps with third-party developer apps. So some of the main ways to integrate Zoho apps with other apps are with Zoho Marketplace, where you can get ready-made integrations and buy them and use them, using some of the apps like Zoho Flow or Zapier to connect the apps between each other, or build custom integrations. So in this video, I will tell you about all of the different ways, their pros and cons. Before we begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here. Obviously, some of the Zoho apps have ready-made integrations that you can use easily inside of the apps. If you go to the settings, you can find them in the integrations tab. And also you can use Zoho Marketplace, and this is the first thing that I want to talk about, which is a marketplace of third-party developer apps integrations, ready-made integrations, where you can get a free trial of the integration and also buy this integration for a monthly period or an annual period. So let's see how Zoho Marketplace looks like and what integrations you can use. So Zoho Marketplace serves as a central hub where users can discover and install a wide variety of extensions and custom apps. These offerings in the marketplace are designed to extend the functionality of Zoho applications by integrating them with third-party services. From telephony solutions to advanced analytic tools, Zoho Marketplace provides curated selection of integrations to meet specific business needs. You can easily use a free trial of some of the integrations and also use a search bar tool to find the application that you need to connect to a certain Zoho app. Our CRMOS team has also developed a lot of useful extensions for Zoho like Shopify, Woocommerce, MySQL. You can find all of them down below in the description box and try them out for your business. Now let's talk about all of the pros and cons of using Zoho Marketplace. And the first advantage of using it to integrate your apps with third-party developer apps is the variety of choice. There's a lot of different integrations, ready-made integrations that you can choose from, and not only for Zoho CRM, but also for other Zoho apps. And it is much easier to find the app that you need and get a ready-made integration. Also, one of the advantages is the ability to get a free trial, to try it out and then see how it works. Because one of the disadvantages of using Zoho Marketplace is that not all of the developers and vendors that sell their integrations are the same good quality. So one of the advantages of using Zoho Marketplace is that you can try out the extension and see if it suits your need. The second advantage is an easy installation process. The extensions are very easy to install. There is usually also a user guide and documentation, and also a lot of vendors like we produce a video tutorial on how to install the extension and showcase how you can use it and how it works. So it is very easy to use a ready-made product, and you don't have to customize or develop something on your own. And the last advantage of using Zoho Marketplace is a community support. So usually all of the vendors provide the support for the extensions and also a list of documentations that you may find useful while using this integration between the apps. If we're talking about the disadvantages of using Zoho Marketplace, is the thing that I already mentioned, is that the quality of the extensions that developers produce on Zoho Marketplace is not always the highest. But again, the good thing is that a lot of vendors offer you a free trial of extension, so you can try it out and see if it works and how the quality of this extension is. Now let's move on to the second way of integrating Zoho with third-party developer apps, is using different apps like Zoho Flow and Zapier. And I will talk about Zoho Flow first, and then we will move on to Zapier. So Zoho Flow is an integration platform that enables users to create custom workflows by connecting Zoho apps with numerous third-party services. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, users can design automation workflows that trigger specific actions based on predefined conditions. Some of the pros of using Zoho Flow are customizable workflows, so users can create tailored workflows that fit their specific business processes, wide range of integrations, Zoho Flow supports numerous third-party services, offering great flexibility and no coding required. The drag-and-drop interface allows users to set up integrations without any programming knowledge. The cons include learning curve. User may need to spend some time to understand how effectively use the platform, and subscription costs. Zoho Flow comes with additional subscription costs. And now let's move on to Zapier. Similar to Zoho Flow, Zapier is an external automation tool that connects Zoho applications with over 2,000 external services. By creating zaps, users can automate repetitive tasks and establish connections between different apps. The advantages of using Zapier include extensive app library. Zapier provides access to over 2,000 external services, enabling a vast range of integrations. Ease of use, similar to Zoho Flow, Zapier's user-friendly interface allows you to easily set up automation workflows. And flexibility, users can create custom zaps to automate specific tasks between different applications. If we're talking about the cons of using Zapier, that includes the costs, because depending on the level of usage, Zapier can become expensive with its subscription-based pricing model, and potential latency. As an external tool, there may be some latency in data synchronization between the apps while using this tool. And the last way of integrating Zoho with third-party developer apps is developing custom integrations. So even if you find a certain extension or a ready-made integration within the Zoho app with a third-party developer app, it doesn't always mean that it has all of the functionality that you may need. And also, there are some apps that don't have ready-made integrations, and you will definitely need a custom one to integrate the apps between each other. And that's when the Zoho partners can help you to customly integrate the apps between each other. You can try it on your own if you have a developer team, and you can try to connect it through APIs or webhooks. But I would highly recommend using a Zoho partner's help in this situation, because, for example, our company as a Zoho partner knows Zoho software very well, and we also have a whole team that is preparing this extension and is developing it, and it knows how to go over some of the limits. And we also can contact Zoho support much faster than just regular Zoho users and get some answers to the questions if we need their assistance on their end to build a custom integration. Custom integrations is also a service that is one of the most popular ones that we provide to the users of Zoho that come to us for help. And we have made so many different custom integrations in our experience. And I want to talk about some of the main pros and cons of using this method of connecting the apps. So the first advantage would be a full control over the integration. You can set up the functionality that you want. Obviously, some apps on their end, the third-party developer apps, have their limitations, but mostly you have a full control over the functionality that you want to have within a certain integration. It is also fully tailored to your needs. So obviously different niches of business have different needs, and not all of the ready-made integrations can cover all of the needs that you have specifically in your business. And except for full control over the integration and how it works like, and all of the tasks that it has to resolve, you can also fully tailor the solution to your specific business needs. And the last advantage is scalability, is security. You not only have the full control over the functionality of the integration, but also about the security of your data within the integration. Custom integrations are fully scalable, so if your business grows and you need more functionality, or you have more data that you need to transfer from one app to another, usually custom integrations are much more flexible than the ready-made ones. If we're talking about the disadvantages of custom integrations, that includes the development costs, because some of the integrations, especially if you have a long list of the needs, they obviously need more time to be developed, and most of the Zoho partners have a rate per hour. So if we spend more time developing this integration, obviously you will have more costs. But also I have to mention that some of the ready-made integrations using Zapier or Zoho Marketplace can also be kind of expensive. So sometimes if you develop an extension, it can be cheaper in a long-term period than paying for an extension, for example. Second disadvantage is that you need maintenance. In my opinion, it's not really a disadvantage because I think that any digital system, any CRM system, any system for managing a business needs maintenance and needs support. And that's why we as Zoho partners provide you with a guarantee after the project, and if something goes wrong or need maintenance, we will fix it for you for free. And also we provide Zoho support packages both for the maintenance of your Zoho apps and also obviously for the maintenance of the custom solutions that we have developed for you. And the last disadvantage of custom integration of Zoho with third-party developer apps is technical expertise. As I already mentioned, even if you have a developer team in-house, it doesn't really mean that they have a certain level of Zoho expertise to create a high-quality custom integration of Zoho apps and third-party developer apps. So in case of custom integrations, I would highly recommend using the services of Zoho partners. By the way, if you want to integrate Zoho with any of the third-party developer apps, you can find a link down below in the description box to the free consultation with one of our experts, where you can ask any types of questions, we can gather your requirements, and also provide you in a very short period of time with an accurate estimate for your project, so you can get the cost of the project and also know which functionality you can use in this custom integration. And also, if you have any questions about integrating Zoho with third-party developer apps, you can write them down in the comments below and we can use them for our Q&A session with our technical experts in the next weeks. And obviously, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss our very useful Q&A sessions and also other useful videos that we share here every single week. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please leave a like under this video and also write in the comments down below what videos would you like to see on our channel. Also, don't forget to check our ready-made integrations over Zoho Marketplace down below in the description box. There will be a link. And also, if you need any type of Zoho consultation, there is a link to a free consultation down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next week's video.